Well, hello, Williams, Philippines. It is Thursday, January 6th, no, 15th, at about 8:17 in the p.m. Very tired, been a long day. I woke up at 3 in the a.m. First shower at 3:30. Next shower at about 12:30. I'm about to go take another one. This is my fourth shirt today. Yeah, out and about on the roads, and yeah, you can get real ripe real quick. Anyway, uh yeah, I got over and got my uh, passport picked back up, my visa extension. I had to notify them that I'm still here because it's January and they want to have everybody check in. So had to pay extra for that. Yay. Let's see. Got all the way down to uh, Talisay, south side of Talisay, on a different route that I'm not used to. Coming back, I almost ended up getting over the toll bridge to Mactan Island. Yeah, there's some people that were not happy with me cutting across, uh, so that I wouldn't be going to Mactan and have to pay a 90 peso toll. I wasn't planning on going to Mactan Island, Lapu Lapu. Nope. Needless to say, been all over the place. I dropped a lemonade at Park Mall. Had to buy another one because I wanted my lemonade. Uh, yeah, made a mess. Let's see. Got some barbecue on the way home. Stopped and talked to somebody and got some lumpia. Dog tried to eat my barbecue. Uh, yeah, it's been one of those kind of days. Then I got my barbecue up here and opened it up and started eating. Well, I don't have my chorizo. I should have had three of those, and I should only had uh, seven, six or seven of the pork barbecue and one chicken breast. Well, I had the chicken breast, no chorizo, and I had a bunch of chicken guts. I can say I've eaten chicken guts. It would have been better if they were a little crisper, but they weren't. Uh, I didn't really like them that much. I'll stick with the baboy pork barbecue and the chicken barbecue, not the chicken guts. Uh, yeah. Anyway, I didn't get my chorizo, which is very saddening because I actually like chorizo. But yeah, I was wondering. Yeah, needless to say, there was a bit of a mix-up. Something happened. I didn't get my chorizo and ended up with chicken guts. It was all edible, and what I didn't eat, I carried down and gave to the guy in housekeeping because, well, didn't want to see it go to waste, and there was more there than what I actually planned on. So, yay! Sometimes life just happens sideways. It is what it is. Let's see. Yeah, long day. Took a ride after I rode all the way to the visa place. I looked at the map last night and mapped it out in my head, and I went off. I was good getting there. It was on the way back out and got lost. Ended up going through northwest Cebu, through into west and northwest Mindanao, up into Constellation. Const- anyway, a little town, part of town over there. And finally figured out, got back to the highway and figured out which way to go and got back here. So, four shirts. three showers, uh, two pair of socks, a pair of shorts, and a pair of pants. Yeah, I've spent a lot of time showering and changing clothes. It is what it is. Anyway, create your future. Yeah, go out and enjoy it, live it. Uh, I might not have had much planned past just getting over to the immigration visa place. Yeah, that was my big plan for the day. I got that done and got so much more done. Well, actually, that and get my housekeeping in here to clean house. That's one of the advantages of having a hotel. You can get them to come in and clean. Usually, I try to keep most of it and sweep up and not make too much of a mess. Set my trash out. But between being sick and being running for the last 10 days, we very busy, and that's good. Uh, yeah. Again, go out and live your life. Why are people not living and enjoying what they're doing? If you're not enjoying something, why are you doing it? I mean, don't get me wrong, I understand getting paid, uh, but at least I enjoyed who I worked with, and I was okay with that. Even when I was frame carpenter and building houses, I enjoyed who I worked with and I enjoyed building. It wasn't so much on squishing mud. I don't like mud. Gets between your toes and such, especially if you've been in enough that your shoes or boots or yeah. That's why I gave it up when my knee stopped letting me run the rafters. When your knee starts taking vacations, going sideways because it wants to, that's not good. Especially when you're 20, 30, 50 feet, 100 feet in the air. Not good. Uh, yeah, those kind of things aren't something you want to have. Your knee goes sideways and you go down. You don't recover from that kind of crap. So that's why I gave up construction and carpentry, being a rafter rat. And I could have been a cut man, but yeah, don't like being on the ground. I like being up in the air, building it, assembling it. I do miss those days. That's why I ended up going and getting into being night manager at the hotel. Three ring circus for 8 hours, my show. Plus or minus, usually plus. I don't think I had but maybe 10 days that were shorter than 8 hours. Every once in a while, somebody actually shows up early to work, and it wasn't me. So, yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, yeah, I don't know what. Part of me wants to take and just sleep in tomorrow, make plans, and figure out how to get over to Sinalog on Sunday. Yeah, choices, choices. I'm going to try to go over and see it and get over in that area and have fun. I'm not going to spend money to buy a ticket. I'm just going to show up and be a general person and watch it go by. I don't know when it starts. I'm going to have to find that out. Hmm. Yeah, sorry. Didn't know I had it. Hmm. I'm going to have to find out where it starts and when it starts so I can get over there in time to be part of it. Uh, Sinalog. It's over near the Magellan Cross and the uh, St. Nino Church. Yeah, real pretty church. And like I say, Magellan's Cross over there. And all that celebrating going on. I'm going to be over there for that. Uh, some folks said about the only way you can get in is to, walk in unless you get there real early and ride in and spend all day there. And they're talking showing up 3, 4 in the morning for this and questioning that. Oh well, life goes on. Somebody's supposed to be landing, I think, today, last night, this morning. I'm not sure. I don't know what their flight schedule was. But hopefully he's here. Yay. Uh, leave a note, make an email. It's the one on here. Let's see, what else? Yeah. Don't fall asleep before I get into the shower. Yeah, because I'm at that kind of tired. I've been at that kind of tired for the last 10 days. Busy, busy. Real fun, though. So, yeah. Uh, I'm going to call it. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Uh, step out and do and enjoy you. It's your life. Anyway, lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, and again, more food. Williams Philippines. Hey, do you like, comment, subscribe, whatever it is you want to feel like doing. I'm Fish, and hey, guess what? Later blessings, bye bye. Fish is out.